Hello anglers, today I have Storm 360 Coastal GT biscuit shade with me, and this is one of the color and the other color is chartreuse. So guys, both these colors are UV colors and this 14 gram and the length of this lure is 9 centimeters. So this is best for barramundis, snappers and GTs as well. You can try this lure, best for all types of fishes basically. So this is available now and the price of this lure is 595 rupees. To purchase this, you can just visit our store or you can just place your order by visiting our store or by visiting our website. That is www.makerandsonsfishingtackle.com. Bye bye.